You can't hide from Beidou. Almost all Chinese fishing boats have installed China's own satellite navigation system. Beidou, which means the Big Dipper, intends to provide the world's best service. And that means covering the entire planet. Zhou Ruxin is behind the civilian application of this technology. He's the founder of BD Star, a leading private company in navigation and positioning. Real-time observation of over 40,000 boats in the East and South China Seas. Zhou says civilian-military integration is helping drive innovation.
Many of the advanced technologies are coming from civilian enterprises. The main market of private companies is coming from civilian services. In the process of civil product development, they can greatly reduce the cost of technology. The civil-military integration has great significance for improving the quality of weaponry and reducing military expenditure.
Zhou Ruxin says Beidou can provide position accuracy of under 10 meters. The latest product, the world's smallest chip, less than 3 millimeters in length. It meets top world standards. It's just one of various chips they developed for both civilian and military purposes. Liftoff for Beidou was in 2000 with its first satellite. It's an alternative to the US Global Positioning System, GPS. Beidou says it will achieve global coverage by 2020.
China has made civil-military integration a national strategy of reform. This is to give the military better services and technologies, while at the same time helping advance the economy. It is giving the companies just like the BD Star a more competitive edge in the future.
President Xi Jinping wants a smaller, smarter military. The order has gone out to cut costs and integrate existing civilian technologies and services into the People's Liberation Army. Though Beidou is some 20 years younger than GPS, its advances in technology are helping it catch up. BD Star was at the forefront of Xi Jinping's strategy. Its success led the way in penetrating the barriers between military technologies and services formerly off limits to the private sector. Beidou started with the military and went on to develop applications in other areas.
Previously, civilian companies were not taken seriously when entering the monopolized military markets. We survived in the cracks and seized the opportunity to become a world-class company. As civil-military integration gradually advances, this strategy could bring new vitality to the civilian enterprises.
Zhou's company grew from scratch to start to take over the overseas market. The push came from China's military transformation. He's confident about future civilian-military integration because Beidou has shown him the bigger picture.